Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy. I am Emma.
And I am Jack. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here today.
Jack, how was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my family, my mom, my dad, and my sister.
Oh, nice. Do you see them often?
Not very often, maybe once a month. They live far from here, about 3 hours by car.
3 hours. That is a long drive.
It is, but the time goes fast when I think about seeing my family.
I understand. My family lives far too. I miss them a lot.
Do you talk to them every day?
Almost every day. We have a family chat. We send messages all the time.
What kind of messages?
Photos, jokes, questions. My mom sends photos of food a lot.
Photos of food?
Yes, every time she cooks something, she sends a photo. Look what I made.
That is so nice. What do you talk about in the chat?
Everything. Food, work, the weather, small things.
Small things are important too.
Yes. Okay, so today our topic is my family and relatives.
I love this topic. Family is so important to me.
Yes. Let's start simple. Jack, who is in your family?
I have a mom, a dad, and one sister. My sister's name is Lisa.
Is Lisa older or younger than you?
She is older. She is 2 years older than me.
Oh, nice. Are you close with her?
Yes, very close. We talk a lot. We are good friends too.
That is so nice. Some people are not close with their brothers and sisters.
I know, but Lisa and I are close. We always were, even as kids.
What do you do together now?
We watch movies, we cook together sometimes, and we talk for hours.
For hours? About what?
About everything. Work, friends, life, just everything. Sometimes nothing important at all.
That sounds really nice. I want to be close with my sister like that.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Anna. She is younger than me, 3 years younger.
Are you close with her?
We are close now, but when we were young, we were not close at all.
Really? What happened?
We fought a lot about everything. Toys, clothes, food, everything.
That sounds like normal sisters.
Yes, very normal. One time, we did not talk for a whole week about a hairbrush.
A hairbrush? That is so funny now.
It was not funny then, but now we laugh about it together.
What changed between you two?
I think we grew up. We don't fight about hairbrushes anymore.
That is good. Hairbrushes are not a big problem now.
No, not anymore. Now we talk about real things. Work, life, plans for the future.
That is so nice. I'm happy you are close now.
Me too. Family is so important, especially when you get older.
Yes. Now let's talk about parents. Tell me about your mom and dad.
My mom is very kind. She loves to cook. Every time I visit, she makes a big meal.
That sounds amazing. What does she cook?
Soup, bread, and a lot of vegetables. She's a really good cook, better than any restaurant.
My mom loves to cook too. She makes the best pasta.
Oh, I love pasta. What kind?
All kinds, but her tomato pasta is my favorite. I think about it all the time.
That sounds so good. Where did she learn to cook like that?
She learned it from her mom, my grandmother.
Oh, your grandmother. Tell me about her.
My grandmother is amazing. She's 80 years old, but she is so active.
80? Wow.
Yes, she walks every day, she works in her garden, she makes jam every summer.
That is incredible. I hope I am like that at 80.
Me too. She is my favorite person in the family, to be honest.
Why is she your favorite?
Because she always has time for me. When I was a kid, I spent every summer at her house.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Every summer?
Every summer for 2 months. My parents worked, so I stayed with her.
2 months. Did you like that?
I loved it. We made cookies together, we walked in the garden, she told me stories.
What kind of stories?
Stories about when she was young, about her family, about the past.
I love stories like that. Did you learn a lot from her?
Yes, so much. She taught me how to cook, how to grow vegetables, and how to be patient.
Patient? How did she teach you that?
She always said, good things take time. Like growing tomatoes. You can't make them grow faster.
That's such good advice for life and for English.
Yes, true for everything.
What about your dad? What is he like?
My dad is quiet. He doesn't talk a lot, but he's always there for us.
That sounds like a good dad.
He is. He likes fishing. Every weekend he goes fishing at the lake near his house.
Do you go with him?
Sometimes. I don't love fishing, but I like spending time with him.
That makes sense. It's about the time together, not just the fishing.
Exactly. We talk a lot when we fish. It's relaxing and easy to talk.
Why is it easier to talk when you fish?
I think because you don't look at each other. You both look at the water.
Oh, that's interesting. Less pressure.
Yes, exactly. Sometimes the best talks happen when you're doing something else.
That's so nice, Jack. By the way, listeners, if you enjoy hearing about our families, please subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, we will talk about more topics like this very soon.
Okay, now tell me about other relatives. Do you have aunts and uncles?
Yes, I have 2 aunts and 1 uncle. They are my mom's brother and sisters.
Do you see them often?
Sometimes we see them on holidays, like at Christmas or birthdays.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have 5 cousins. They are my aunts and uncle's kids.
5. That is a lot.
It is. When we are all together, it is very loud, but fun.
I can imagine.
Last Christmas, all 5 cousins were at my grandmother's house, with parents too. So many people.
How many people in total?
Let me think. Grandmother, my parents, my sister, my aunts, my uncle, the cousins, maybe 15 people.
15 people in one house.
Yes, it was crazy, but a good kind of crazy.
What did you do with 15 people?
We ate a lot. We played games. The kids ran around the house.
That sounds like so much fun.
It was, but also very loud. By the end of the day, I was so tired.
I believe that. Did you sleep well after?
I slept for 10 hours. Best sleep of the year.
My family is smaller. I have one aunt and one uncle, and 3 cousins.
Are you close with your cousins?
I am close with one cousin. Her name is Sophie. We are almost the same age.
Oh, that is nice. Same age cousins are like extra siblings.
Yes, exactly. When we were kids, we did everything together.
Like what?
We rode bikes. We played outside all day. We told secrets to each other.
That sounds like a great childhood.
It was. Sophie was like my best friend and my cousin at the same time.
Are you still close now?
Yes, but we live in different cities now, so we do not see each other often.
Do you talk?
We message sometimes, and when we see each other, it feels like no time passed at all.
That's the best kind of friendship. Distance doesn't change it.
Yes, exactly. Some relationships stay close, even with distance.
I think that's true for family too. My grandmother lives far from me, but we're still close.
How do you stay close with her?
We call every Sunday. We talk for 30 minutes or more.
Every Sunday? That is a nice routine.
Yes, she tells me about her week. I tell her about mine.
Okay, I want to give a bonus tip now.
Yes, go ahead.
My tip is talk about your family in English.
Oh, like we're doing now?
Yes, it's great practice. You already know the words for family: mom, dad, sister, brother.
That's true. These are easy words.
So practice with these easy words. Describe your family in English, out loud.
To yourself or to a friend?
Either way, even talking to yourself helps a lot.
I talk to myself sometimes. Now I know it's good practice.
Yes, it really is. And it feels natural because you know this topic so well.
That makes sense. You're not learning new ideas, just new words for things you already know.
Exactly. That makes it easier and more fun.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. Today, we talked about family.
Yes, we talked about brothers, sisters, parents, and grandparents.
We talked about aunts, uncles, and cousins too. 15 people at Christmas.
Yes, and we talked about being close with family, even with distance.
And we gave a tip. Practice English by talking about your family.
And our word of the episode today was close.
Yes, close. It means you feel near to someone, you love them, and you talk a lot.
Like, I'm close with my grandmother. Or, my sister and I are close.
Write a sentence in the comments. For example, I'm close with my mom, or my brother and I are close.
Try it now. Writing it helps you remember the word better.
And remember our last word too, goal. What is your goal for learning English?
Maybe your goal is to talk about your family in English. That's a great goal.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe. See you next time, beautiful people.
Bye-bye. Call your family today. Tell them you love them.